FastBreak energy bars are a game changer for anyone on the go. Packed with protein and fiber, they're perfect for a quick snack or a pre-workout boost. Each bar has that perfect balance of crunch and chew, making them super satisfying. Plus, they come in a variety of flavors. So whether you're into chocolate, peanut butter, or something fruity, there's a FastBreak for you. What I love most is that they're not just tasty. They actually keep you full without that heavy feeling. They're made with real ingredients, so you know you're fueling your body right. Whether you're hitting the gym, heading to work, or just need a pick-me-up, these bars are my go-to. Trust me, once you try one, you'll be hooked.